There comes a time in your document development that you'd want to insert screenshots from other programs. To do that, you go to the Insert tab, and in the illustration section, you see the screenshots button. What you need to know is that the screenshots, to be able to take a screenshot, you need to have the other windows open. So if you click on screenshots, all my available windows are displayed here. So let's go to I think I have my PC open. So here's my PC. The screenshot has been inserted into my document. Let me delete that. Let me try it again. Go back to insert, screenshots. I have a web browser open. And there you have it. It's taking a screenshot of my web browser. If I don't want the whole page of the web browser to show up and I just want a portion, I go back to insert, and in screenshots, instead of selecting the full screens which are open, I can go to the screen clipping area, which is a tool there, and to open up my browser or any window which is open, and I can use a click and drag motion to select portions of the site. Let me suggest this. And when I release my finger from the mouse, here I have it, a screenshot of that area of that page in my document.